All right, I can't hear anything. Ooh, it's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. Just a little longer. Overall, the microphone sounds... Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode with George Cloud. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this box. It has just arrived and I'm super excited to see what's in here. More boxes. So we have a box inside a box, and I'm not gonna keep you waiting. This is the relatively new product from Logitech, which I expected for about a few days. Probably one of its kind. Quick break. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, turn on notifications to enjoy more of that content. All right, let's get going. We have a beautiful packaging as well. Logitech Fits. If it sits, it fits. Funny! But Logitech Fits, probably wonderful headset that comes with double functionality. We're talking about wireless and Bluetooth. Let me get that out of the way. Alrighty. So this is the Logitech Fits, is probably one of a kind because it has near to 0 milliseconds latency while connected to a device, and you can actually use it with Bluetooth and with the including USB connection. Seems pretty cool, and the coolest thing though is the earbuds are actually adjustable to your ears. Let's go through this process together. Want to be precise? I'm gonna be opening the little box here. Let's get fit before play. It's probably gonna give me a step guide to download the app on my phone and create a custom fit. And it gives a careful advice. Earbuds are UV sensitive. Don't open their package until instructed by the app. So inside the package we have the case. Let's unfold the case. It kind of reminds me of the AirPods, the Apple AirPods. A little bit cheaper quality on the materials, but I don't really care because I find all that garbage, to be honest. This is completely waste of material. Pretty sweet, pretty light, and actually feels good. Maybe a little plasticky feeling, to put it that way, but it feels good. Now, when we open the case, we have a beautiful color, and it actually comes out in two colors. There is another version with black outside and yellow inside, but this is the little thingy that we put the headset on, and then we have the earbuds. And from the instructions, it says that earbuds are UV sensitive. Don't open their package until instructed by the application. The third thing that's in the box is a little cable, and it says this is the step 2, complete light form molding before inserting light speed receiver. Basically, it doesn't want me to insert the light speed receiver probably on the base before we do the molding. So we have a couple things: the headset, the base, the cable, and probably nothing else. Now let's start following the instructions to set up the beautiful Fits thingy. So the step 1 is download the Logitech G Fits app to create your custom fit. Download the Logitech G Fits. So right now Logitech Fits actually is installed on my phone. I'm gonna open it up and let's get started. No thanks, I don't want to improve your products. We do that with reviews, and it says G Fits would like to use Bluetooth. Okay. When you're ready to begin, open the sealed packaging and place your earbuds in the case with lid open. All right, so let's take this, my favorite tool, aside a little bit, and we're going to unwrap the headset. And the next step is to place the earpads inside the case. So now that we have the earpads, which look pretty cool, they look pretty damn cool, I'm not gonna lie. My first impression is these are light. I'm talking about AirPod Pros light. My AirPods are somewhere around here. Let's find out what's next. Open the sealed packaging and place your earpads in the case with the lid open, I assume. All right, now that we have the earbuds in the case with the lid open, it found it, and hold the case button for 3 seconds until the light starts blinking. The next step is going to Bluetooth, and I'm gonna be selecting the G Fits gaming earbuds. Well, you know what? It says connected. So let's head back to the app. Boom! Connected. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's go. Insert both earpads into your ears. All right, I assume this is the left one, this is the right one. So I'm gonna insert both earpads into my ears. It's somewhat sound isolated, and there is a little music playing on the background right now, like, and it says gently turn them to find the position that maximizes the bass. All right, I can't hear anything. Wow, that's such a volume. Like, wow, it's so isolating. Like, I can't hear my own voice right now, which is good and bad. I think it sounds good, the bass is good. Next. Place your fingertips on earbuds while molding. Keep them in place without applying pressure. So I'm gonna keep it in place for about a minute, Jesus Christ. Oh, now the music has changed. It feels very relaxing. Oh, it's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. Oh my goodness, I feel the heat. Oh, it does getting warmer. Yeah, it says don't worry, I'm doing great. Just a little longer. I'm a few seconds away from a custom fit. It's getting hot, but it's cozy. It feels like nice and cozy warm. It's not like annoying warm. You know what? I really enjoyed the graphics. Oh, congratulations! It says my earbuds are custom molded to my ears. How do they feel? I would say comfortable. Check out the Lightform technology up close and share your experience. What's up, experience? Yeah, that was a weird face, I know. So, we are at the next step. It says plug the dongle into your PC to enable Lightspeed. Audio connection, switch to Lightspeed mode by triple tapping on either earbud to optimize your performance. All right, congratulations. Skip for now, and I think I'm good. And it actually gives me a bunch of settings as well. I'm not gonna go through all the settings, but you can take a quick look here. You can pause the video and see if there is anything you're interested in. It gives you pretty cool options, like volume up, volume down, for example, right? Easy, so you don't have to hold your phone if you're outside the gym to turn the volume down, like, you know, do up, up, or down, down, listening to a podcast or whatever you enjoy doing. So far, so good. Let's connect the earbuds to my computer to see the actual sound and how it works. Quick break. Since you've made it that far into this video, there is a slight chance you might be enjoying the content. If that's the case, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, turn on notifications to enjoy more of that content. All right, let's get going. All right, let's use my Apple MacBook to connect the earbuds first. So I'm gonna be using the USB-C connection with the MacBook Pro. You don't really have to see my screen. All I have to do is plug it in and see if it actually does the trick and how it sounds. All right, so I'm plugging it in. Let's see if I'm getting something. Let's see if I should be getting something, like a little light here. First thing, it didn't give me any signs of life. I don't have anything basically telling me what to do. It doesn't give me any light options on the dongle itself, but the G Fits gaming earpads are now recognized from my MacBook as an audio device. So as soon as I click the audio button at the top of my screen, it brought the G Fits gaming earpad. Nothing really happens here. I'm not sure why, but I'm just gonna plug it in and play something from Spotify, see if I'm getting any signal. There you go. There you go. Oh my God, it sounds amazing. This is actually really good. Well, you know what? It kind of misses the bass. It gives me a lot of mids in the sound, a lot of treble, to put it that way. It's missing highs and lows. Well, no. If you actually turn around, if you play with it a little bit, it's gonna give you the sound you want. Sounds good. It's very light. Still, the only thing that personally bothers me is that I can't hear anything from the outside world, which is probably gonna make me wear one of those while I'm working or playing video games, but that's not the goal here. So, Logitech Fits. Let's see how the recording sounds. I'm gonna be testing those on my Windows computer using the Lightning cable. I'm also gonna be testing those using my iPhone. All right, first, let's see how it sounds on the iPhone using the Bluetooth. And now, this is the sound of the Logitech AirPods. And I'm gonna be yelling a little bit louder because I'm very excited, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. Maybe it's midnight and I want to be really, really quiet right now. Now, let's compare the Apple AirPods to the Logitech Fits. So this is the Apple AirPods. Speaking loud. And I'm gonna be yelling a little bit louder. And now I'm gonna start speaking a little bit quieter. Let's say it's 12 at midnight. Maybe it's midnight and I want to be really, really quiet right now. Let's see how it sounds. Next, I'm gonna be testing the Logitech Fits on my Windows PC using the Lightning cable, not Bluetooth this time. I've noticed on the first recording, the microphone G Fits on my Windows actually set the volume levels on the 50. I'm gonna increase that to 100 and see how that sounds. Well, overall, the microphone sounds a little mid to terrible quality, not even close to anything for production level, not even good for a professional meeting level. So if you guys want to use those for meetings, you might reconsider how it sounds. I would probably go for a microphone pretty close to my mouth. But now, also good news. If you want to be using those at the gym or playing a game, fantastic, because it has near to 0 millisecond latency. The sound isolation is actually great. You can't hear anything else around the room, so depends the reason you want to be using. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, remember to turn notifications for the future videos, and see you in the next one.